Good morning, friends. We're here in Tip Top Motel. I'm so hungry. I feel like I am just out of it right now. I went to the hospital last night, or this morning. I haven't even removed this, why? But anyway, I went because my mosquito bites yesterday. I didn't realize I had so many until they welted up so big this morning. So I got scared, I was worried, so I'm like, let's go. So we went. I just got Benadryl, Pepsid, and a dose of cortisone, or like steroids, and I'm just like so tired. I fell asleep for a little bit at the hotel, but it's early, we're on vacay, and I'm like, let's get up, let's go. We're gonna go to the beach. We're just waiting to eat. My friend Angela recommended this place to us. It's called Tip Top. It's actually a motel and restaurant, but the food looked good on Yelp, so now we're here. We're just waiting for the food, enjoying this cup of Kona coffee. And it's so packed in here. It's so crazy. Like the waitress are all Filipino. They feel so bad because they're so like busy and angry. We got the bento. And we got some banana pancakes. How is it, Bruce? Good? I gave some of my food to Gerald, but you guys, this was bomb. Babe, Gerald actually said this is probably the best thing I've ate here. On this island? Are we coming back tomorrow?
No.
Yeah. Now we're gonna dig into that banana pancake. We came at such a good time. Look at the line now. There were no lines when we got here. Here are my friends again, the chickens. Ooh! There goes Gerald. You guys, my bug bites are so gross. I don't ever want to remember them, so I don't really want to show them, but they're all over my legs, a few on my arms. I'm still medicated and a little tired, but I didn't want to ruin my day, so I came out. In the water in a little bit, but I just want to chill for now. to a beach just down Koizu. I forget what this one is called, but the water seems a little more blue, huh? Doesn't it?
Yeah, it's deeper that way.
Oh, yeah. Oh, because the other one had like coral reefs and stuff. But, and the sand is soft here, softer, I feel like, but just catching tans, not feelings. Just kidding. What are you catching, babe? Catching waves, not feelings. Catching fish, not feelings.
Catching the sunburn.
Yesterday we caught waterfalls, not feelings. Out of the beach, we found this little market, like a farmer's market it looks like. We're in search for fresh fruit again. Look how cute. They're so tiny.
We grind these up with a juicer. It's basically like pureed. We call it a frosty. It's 100% white sugarloaf pineapple.
God. We just tried the sweetest pineapple of our whole entire life. They're called white pineapples, and they were like really small and stubby, but they sold out. But they had samples for us. Sorry, Mom, I can't bring this back. Look. This was for you. Good? Cheers. We finished the water so fast, so now they cut it up for us and we're eating the coconut meat. Pretty good and refreshing, huh? She's so sweet. She gave me this pineapple. They're all out of the white pineapples, and they said they had the baby ones, which they don't typically sell, and they give them to cute kids, but... Oh.
Toffee?
Yep.
Just the one bag?
Just the one bag. Gerald bought some rambutans. Look, Kalea and Carson. He's gonna show me how to eat it.
Yeah. There might be.
So they're like lychee.
Yeah. I think they're seeds.
You think?
Mm-hmm.
Can I taste like lychee, huh? We're back here at Kanahiki just to get some food and bring it back to the hotel. It's been a long, hot morning.
That's what I like.
Which one? We're gonna have a little picnic out here in our balcony. Since our view is beautiful, might as well. My bug bites are so itchy. What, babe? I did not do anything. We went back to that place and got food so we could just eat out here. What do you call it? Yeah, for lunchtime, we're not really hungry. It's nice, huh, Boots?
Yeah.
Ready to eat?
You didn't give me wasabi this time.
I think this is like the most perfect view in this hotel. Oh, resort. But anyway, guys, this whole mosquito bite stuff, like I don't even want to show you. It's all over. It's starting to, or it started to ruin my day, but I didn't let it, especially after the ER doctor was like, you're gonna be fine, which I kind of knew, you know. I just never really welted up from mosquito bites, so it scared me, and they were big and all over, so that's why I went. But they itch so bad, and I don't want to just be on Benadryl all day. I had it this morning and I've just been so drowsy, so I gotta go buy some Zyrtec or something. Shit. we're now here at the Kauai Rum. And on our way here, we actually made reservations to the Kauai safaris. And it looks like it's here.
Is it here too?
It looks like, is safari here too? No. Okay, we just signed up for the 3:30 tasting. I had to get out of that store because the energy in there is just so rough. Like, the workers are so unhappy and rude, so I didn't want to start a fight. Speaking of fight, at our hotel room, at the balcony, somebody was dumping water in our balcony, and remember we were just eating lunch there, and yeah, I was by the window, I was by the balcony putting my makeup on, and water just started dumping into our balcony. So I'm like, what the hell is that? And it was a lot. And then it happened a second time. So instead of me going upstairs trying to figure out what it was, I called the front desk, and they're calling security on whatever the room is upstairs. And I felt bad because the maid had to come and clean it up. But what if we were still eating our lunch there? That would have been disgusting. I don't know what that liquid that was dumped, but yeah, it's okay. Nobody's going to ruin my energy today. I'm still having fun, even with my, oh, I counted. I got like 50 bites. Somebody on Instagram asked me how many mosquito bites I got, and I jokingly said 30. I said 30, just kidding. I think 9, because I literally just thought of like the few that I got yesterday, but after they welted up this morning, I got like 48 to 50. So it's so bad. I took Zyrtec. I was on Benadryl this morning, the cortisone, and a Pepsid, and I've just been so drowsy, but I'm still making the best of it, and I'm trying my best not to itch them. Let me just show you guys the ones on my arms. About to rum taste. It's kind of like a wine tasting room, but rum.
I had some type of award at a major competition, which is pretty awesome. We're traveling to next. Anyone traveling outside of the United States after this? Awesome, because as long as you're traveling within the United States, you can bring up to 5 liters. But the fact that I said the and not the, but in Hawaiian, all of our words end with a vowel, as you may have noticed on all of our street signs. But to be very specific, all of our syllables end with a vowel. So when we speak pidgin,
I'm sorry.
it's dangerous. Good question. I don't know. I think we get it.
That rum tasting was pretty cool. I drank all of mine. It was probably equivalent to what, 2 shots? Less?
At least 4. No, how many wine?
No.
It's 4 shots, maybe 3. 2 to 3 shots.
Gerald was like giving her this sign saying he only wants a little bit. And I'm over here like, I'm just kidding. But we're headed to our dinner reservations. We're not even hungry and it's still early, but we wanted to make sure we get a reservation for the sunset. And sunset around 6 o'clock. Reservation's at 5, and the girl said, once you get your seat, that's your seat until you're done. So that's what we're gonna do. Yo, these are some nice houses in Kauai. What up with that one?
Oh, whoa. This is like, oh.
What is it? Wait, how did it go from mansion to hoodie hood? Oh dang, I'd be. It's nice, I guess. It's a park open to the public, but. Alright guys, we're now back here in Poipu. We're gonna have dinner here at the beach house. Another recommendation from a couple friends. We're a little early, so we're going to just walk along this dangerous looking, babe, I don't know. Are they edible? Black crabs? They camouflage the rocks. I feel like I've been living on the edge lately. It'd be such a pretty picture to go on those rocks, but I don't think I'm that thug life right now. especially with my shoes. The ladies really need to have some bacon and cheese water on top. Wait. We traded food because I got sick of the flavor of mine. He was almost done, but I just wanted to try his. The sun is about to set soon. So pretty. It's so pretty. So pretty. Love you, Boots.
Love you.
Thanks for this trip. Come here. Look, it doesn't take it really well with that. Oh, there's your background. Love you. More dessert has just been waiting because we've been focusing on the beautiful sunset.
Hi. I don't know. People. I read that on like the reviews.
The parakeets?
Yeah.
What do they say? Like they surround this place or what?
Yeah, that they just come out here.
As long as they don't poop on me,
See,
you're
they're
good.
all over.
Parakeets?
Yeah, parakeets.
Oh. If I can be completely honest, the food was not good. For the price. I think it's like on a Applebee's level, but on a Ruth's Chris price range. Doesn't make any sense, but the experience was great. Our waiter was great. Everyone was nice. The facility is amazing. So if you're here for sunset, it's worth it. And just for the views and for like the ambiance, I think it's worth it. Just eat somewhere else. Just get some appetizers. Yeah. Without me telling Gerald, he feels the same. He told me. This is why we are the same motherfuckers. Because when I came back to sit down, he was like, this is our most expensive meal. And it was the worst. Like those hole-in-the-wall Hawaiian places that we've been to have been so bomb and they're so cheap. But, you know, we don't mind splurging on dinner here and there. We do that often in Vegas at our favorite places. But those places are good and it's worth it. Anyways, it was a good experience. And
the view.
Well, yeah, we paid for the view. Service was great though.
Service was good. The guy was good.
But the view was awesome. But like I said, if you guys want to come here, just get some appetizers, get a drink, or shit, just drive here and go out in the grass area for the view. That's what a lot of people did, huh? We just kind of hopped over when it was setting.
I'm telling you.
I'm telling you. We went to the Wailua Shave Ice because Gerald wanted to go to HeFat again, but they were closed. And this one is pretty competitive. It's pretty good. I love that they don't use like the super sweet syrups. It's like their own made syrup from fresh fruit, and it's so light and perfect.
Regina.
All right, guys. So I don't know. The lady, her name is Regina.
Oh, maybe she's cool.
She's letting us have more. So this hotel is so accommodating. We told them about how there was water being dumped into our balcony from the room upstairs, and they were trying to handle that. They sent security. They just haven't talked to the people who's been there, but they said they've seen lots of towels that were wet by the balcony. But it was like a dump, huh? Like if it was a cooler dumped over our balcony. But they haven't spoke to them yet, but they were trying to accommodate us by moving us with the same type of room, because we got the deluxe, which is like the upgraded, no, not upgraded, what is it? Renovated rooms with the view. And she was trying to accommodate us. She gave us the keys to 2 doors down. She's like, should be the same view, just a little couple, you know, this and that. But we went in there and there was a bush blocking my view. And the view means a lot to me. A tree, whatever. So I called them and I said, we're gonna keep the room, thank you. And then they were like, what else can we do for you? We initially planned to go out by the pool again to have a drink, but we decided here because it's kind of windy out there. Cheers, Boots. No. Cheers. I've been so self-conscious with my bites because they look so gross. You guys want to take a look?
The what?
My bites. It looks like I have some kind of freaking disease going on. But ER doctor says I'm not gonna die. It still itches every now and
You gotta
then.
get tan so they blend.
My mom said they're gonna turn hyperpigmented. That's a lot on my legs. Anyway, so I'm re-wearing this skirt. I have another skirt like this, but I might wear it tomorrow night for our dinner because all I have are like short dresses and skirts and shorts. But now I'm self-conscious. I can't even enjoy the pool anymore because I don't know if the chlorine will be okay. I know salt water in the beaches are good, but